Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar News. Here I am reading the Hindu newspaper. My purpose is improving my knowledge and English only, nothing else. Therefore, please support and guide me. This is our today article. Turkish court formalized the arrest of Erdogan rivals over corruption charges. Turkey Republic's People's Party CHP candidate for Istanbul mayors Ekrem Imamoglu Imamoglu in Istanbul filed for the Associate Press Istanbul. A court formally arrested the mayor of Istanbul, a key rivals to President Recep Tayyip Erdogan on Sunday and ordered him jail pending the outcome of a trial on corruption charges. Mayor Ekrem Imamoglu was detained following a raid on his residence earlier this week, sparking the largest wave of street demonstrations in Turkey is more than a decade. His impeachment is widely regarded as a political move to remove a major contender from the next presidential race currently scheduled for 2028. The prosecutor office said the court decided to jail Mr. Imamoglu on suspicion of running a criminal organization, accepting bribes, extortion, illegal recording personal data, and bid rigging. A request for him to be imprisoned on terror-related charges was rejected, although he still faces prosecution. In the Interior Ministry later announced that Mr. Imamoglu had been suspended from the duty as a temporary mayor. The municipality has previously appointed an acting mayor from its governing council. Alongside Mr. Imamoglu, 47 other were also joined pending trial, including a key aide and two district mayor from Istanbul. Interior Minister Ali Yerlikaya said Sunday that 323 people were detained the previous evening over disturbances at protest. The formal arrest came as more than 1.5 million members of the opposition Republican Party or CHP began holding a primary presidential election to endorse Imamoglu, the sole candidate. The party has also set up symbolic ballot boxes nationwide to allow people who are not party members to express their support for the mayor. Large crowd gathered to cast a solidarity ballot. This is no longer just a problem of the Republican Party but a problem of Turkey democracy. Fusion Erben 69 said at a polling station in Istanbul Kadikoy district, "We do not accept our rights being easily usurped. We will fight until the end. We are embarrassed. Honestly, we are embarrassed in the name of our legal system." Ankara Mayor Mansour was a fellow member of the Imamoglu CHP told press person after casting his vote criticizing the lack of confidentiality in the proceedings. CHP leader Ojur Ozil said Mr. Imamoglu imprisonment was reminiscent of Italian mafia methods. Speaking at Istanbul City Hall, he added Imamoglu is on the one hand in prison and on the other hand on the way to the presidency. The Council of Europe, which focus on promoting the human rights and democracy, slammed the decision and demanded Mr. Imamoglu's immediate release. The German government called the mayor imprisonment a serious setback for democracy in Turkey, adding that political competition must not be conducted with courts and prison. Before the detention, Mr. Imamoglu had already faced multiple criminal cases that could result in prison sentence and a political ban. He was also appealing a 2022 conviction for insulting member of Turkey Supreme Electoral Council. Earlier in the week, a university nullified his diploma, citing alleged irregularity in his transfer from private university in northern Cyprus some 30 years ago. The decision effectively bars him from running for president. Mr. Imamoglu was elected mayor of Turkey's largest city in March 2019 in a major blow to Mr. Erdogan and President Justice and Development Party, which had controlled Istanbul for a quarter century. Mr. Erdogan's party pushed to void the municipal election result in the city of 16 million, alleging irregularities. Now we start our short news, national, international, and sports news. Number of Palestinians killed in the Gaza Strip so far: 50,021 Israeli strike across the southern Gaza Strip killed at least 26 Palestinians overnight into Sunday, including a Hamas political leader. Residents that tank had advanced into an area of the southern city of Rafah. Taxes paid by the domestic alcohol beverage industry, 3 lakh crore rupee domestic manufacturer of the premium liquor, competing against imported brands in Delhi, hope that the new government will provide a level playing field, opening the gates to the ability of the choice of local separatists in the capital. They say that this suits the Make in India vision, the margins by which the UK is to cut cost of running the government. 15% the UK plans to cut cost within 4 years as it grapples with strained public finance. It will translate to annual saving of $2.2 billion, $2.8 billion across British civil service, which employ more than 5 lakh people. They are not to borrow the fund day-to-day spending. Venezuelan flown from the USA to maximum security prison. 200 relatives of the Venezuelan migrants sent by the USA to a Salvadoran prison protest in Saturday for their release. Venezuela was flown from the USA to El Salvador after President Donald Trump evoked wartime power to expel allied gang members. Number of the fatality in Russia drone attack against Ukraine. Russia launched 147 drones across Ukraine. According to Ukrainian Air Force, Ukrainian air defense shut down 97 and 25 other did not reach target due to Ukrainian countermeasure. The attack came ahead of ceasefire negotiation in Saudi Arabia. Ramallah. Palestine slams Israel's nod for a new West Bank settlement. The Palestinian Foreign Ministry condemned an Israeli decision to recognize more than a dozen new settlements in the occupied West Bank, upgrading existing neighborhood to independent status. The 30 neighborhoods approved for development by the Israel cabinet are located across the West Bank. Kabul. USA lifts bounties on the 3 senior Taliban officials, including Haqqani. The USA lifted boundaries on 3 senior Taliban figures, including Interior Minister Sirajuddin Haqqani, who has a powerful network blamed for bloody attacks against Afghanistan former Western-backed government. Kabul said his name no longer appears on the State Department Reward for Justice website. Dhaka. Bangladesh Army rejects Students' Party claim of interference. The Bangladesh Army on Sunday rejected the allegation made by the student-led National Citizens Party that the military was hatching a plan to rehabilitate deposed Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. Awami League, the NCP, has tagged protest rally at the premier Dhaka University campus on Saturday. Rome. Pope leaves hospital 5 weeks after being admitted for pneumonia. Pneumonia. Pope Francis greeted the faithful from Rome Gemelli Hospital on Sunday, the first time the 88-year-old has been seen in public since February 14. The head of the world 1.4 billion Catholic who spent over 5 weeks in the hospital battling pneumonia was on the balcony for 2 minutes, after which he was discharged immediately. A revelation. Vignesh, a product of MI's talent squad, has bright future. Surya. Mumbai Indians keeper Surya Kumar Yadav predicted a bright future of Vignesh Puthur. MI is known for that, giving youngsters chances. The squad go around 10 months, and Vignesh is product of that. He was a bright future. I kept his one over in the pocket if the game went deep, revealed Surya Kumar. Emotional. Atheistic celebration was for my loved one, said Kishan. SRJ new recruit Ishan Kishan said the atheistic celebration after scoring his maiden IPL century was a dedication to all loved ones who supported him when he was fighting to regain his form, including his brother in the stand. The flying kiss was for my loved ones. My brother was there in the stadium, he said. Gameplay. I like bowling at the Eden Garden Royal Challenger Helge Wood. It was sort of just sticking in the pitch a little bit. The ball was quite good. I like bowling at Eden Garden, and we just sort of stuck to our length. Kunal Pandya ball beautiful, and luckily we got to bowl at sort of the tail toward the end. The hard length work best out here most of the time. RCP Josh Heswood after win over KKR at home. Gujarat Titans gave a lot of freedoms to the player Ravada. He was play for Delhi Capital and Punjab King, but Kagisu Rabada feel at home in his new franchise, the Gujarat Titan, having already grown on a liking for head coach Ashish Nehra. Yeah, it has been very relaxed, a lot of freedom that been given to the players, but there is still structure. I am really happy with how everything has run here. Now, guys, we start our daily English session practice English practice session. I think the company is downsizing. I just hope they don't end up dumbazing as we have two new projects to complete. As Supendra, what is the difference between downside and downsize? This is the question a lot of the people in the United States are asking Elon Musk. Is he planning to downsize the workforce in the federal government, or he planning to downsize it? People working in private organization know what downsizing is, and it is not surprising. Therefore, they the world. When you downsize, you reduce the number of the people who are on your payroll. So you achieve his either by laying people off or by firing them. Company usually downsize for a number of reasons. In our sales don't pick up, we might have the downside our workforce. The word is also used in everyday concept to mean to move from big house into a smaller house apartment. The place where you are staying has become too big for you. Perhaps all your children have moved to another city, and therefore you don't need a four bedrooms house. You would like to move into something more manageable. Sometimes people are forced to downsize because they wish to save money. You should seriously considering downsizing at your age. The two of you don't need to such a big house. After his business collapsed, Rajesh was forced to downsize. He moved into a studio apartment. The word downsize is a combination of downsize and dumb extreme downsizing. Call be called downsizing. In this case, in order to downsize, you very stupidly or dumbly let go too many of your worker. As a result of this excessive downsizing, there is not sufficient manpower for the company to operate effectively. My stupid boss had downsized our company. Is it okay to say fair something out? K. Tarun Kanpur. The expression bring back memories of my school day. This was one of the favorite expression of every teacher when someone asks you to figure something out. What the person would like you to do is to write the final versions of a document that you may have corrected several times. The final version will be legally written and incorporate all the suggested changes. Native speaking of English do not say figure something out. Expressions they prefer to use are make a fair copy and make a copy. The children wanted to make a fair copy of the play they had written. Upendra K. Dranky at the gmail.com. So, guys, this is our today quiz. A quiz on the events that happened over the year on March 24. Quiz made by V.V. Ramanan. Question number 1. In 1721, which famous composer dedicated six concertos to Magnus Christian Ludwig of Brandenburg, situated, which is now called the Brandenburg Concert? Question number 2. Name the last and longest reigning monarch of the House of Tudor who passed away on this date in 1603. Question number 3. That the World Health Organization observed March 24 as what day? Question number 4. Which Asian kingdom shall become democracy on his date? Which with the conduct of its first ever general election. Question number 5. The daring escape by some allies prisoners of war from the German camps totally left three that began on this date in 1944 was dramatized in which film? Question number 6. Which of the famous trinity of Carnatic music was said to have been born on this date? Visualize question. Identify the Bharat Ratna scene with another Bharat Ratna MGR, and how did make news to the date 48th year? The Hindu photo achieve. Question and answer of the on March 21 editions of Delhi Quiz. This umpire has stood on field umpire in this last six consecutive final. Nitin Men. These two umpires have to stood on the field umpire in most of number matches in IPL. Anil Chaudhary, S. Ravi, 130 matches each. The person who offered as much referees in most IPL final. Answer J. Srinath. This overseas player has won the most IPL title. Kieran Pollard, 5 with Mumbai Indians. This overseas player was won the IPL title playing for the franchise. Shane Watson in 2008 playing the Rajasthan Royals and 2018 Chennai Super Kings. The player has played for the most number of the team in IPL history. Aaron Finch, 9 different franchises. This Indian has played for the most number of teams in IPL history. Jaydev Unadkat, 8 different franchises. The only player to have won the player of the final award despite ending up to the losing side, Anil Kumble in 2009. The only player to have won both Orange Cap and Emerging Player of the Year award in the same edition of IPL, Ruturaj Gaikwad in 2021. Visible. This is the only player to have won both Purple Cap and Player of the Series award in the same edition of IPL, Harshal Patel in 2021. Early word who gave the answer is this. So guys, this is today video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for other more update and more video. Press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. We meet in tomorrow next video. Jai Hind.